In this video, I'll show you how to use cheat engines so you can cheat on games and get unlimited money, unlimited items. So the idea of this game, but it works for any game, is that whenever you have some sort of money that you want to use to buy upgrades, you simply want to get a note of how much money you have right now. So right now I start with $0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a process called Berry Berry Berry, because that's the game that we're using. And then I'm going to hit open. So what we're going to do under this value option, since my value of $0 is 0, I'm going to select 0 and do a first scan. Now it's going to open up lots of processes, so that one we can skip, because what we need to do is have this value increase a little bit. So I'm going to hit 1. So now you can see the value increased by 1. So what I'm going to do is go 1 and select new next scan, because it's going to find the values where it became 1, where the previous value was 0. So I'm going to hit it one more time. Now you can see that the value is at 2. So I'm going to search 2 as the next scan. So you just keep doing this, and then eventually you will have less entries out here. So now it looks much less. You can see the previous value is 3. I'm going to keep dropping one more and then pick it up. Now it's 4. So I'm going to do my scan as 4, next scan, and now you see there's way less values out here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose one random value here and double click it. Now you have a value of 4. So what I'm going to do is change this value to 5 and see if it's going to update this $4 value. So if I hit OK, it did not change the value. I'll revert it back to 4. Just because we want to find the exact value that we're looking for. So this one, I'm going to double click it. So 2C, I'm going to update this one to 5. Hit OK, and now you can see the value updated to 5. So this means that this is our money. So I'm going to hit money, hit OK. Now all I have to do is change the value again, double click that value. I could set it to whatever I want. I could make it $9 billion if I wanted to. See, you can see unlimited money. Now, if I hit go to sleep, and then I have all my upgrades, I can just go and buy every single upgrade on the first single night. So that is the strat on how to do it. Very simple, very easy to do. And you could also do it the opposite way. So now, for example, I'm going to do a new scan because my money value has updated. So what I'm going to do is search 73 159 258 and then hit new scan. See, now it only pulls up one value because it's such a unique number. So it's really easy to find how much value that is. So if I want to add more money onto that, I just keep typing 9 billion, and it brings us to 1.4 billion. I think that's the maximum. That's like the cap that this game supports. But you can see now I can buy every single upgrade, and it's just that simple. Now you can use cheat engine for your game, and it's a very simple process. And this works for every single multiplayer game, or sorry, single player game. So if that helps out, go ahead and like and subscribe. There you go. I literally bought everything in the game. All right, take it easy. Peace.